Once again.
Hi my lovely peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your sweet girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today, yes, we're at it again. And you see, I have one whole heap chicken leg, all Jamaican spice and seasoning over here. I have some Jamaican coconut oil as well. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken legs. All right, I'm gonna do half an hour in the oven, and then I'm gonna take them out and put them on the grill. I'm gonna season it and I'm gonna leave it for overnight, or you have to leave it for at least 4 to 6 hours. All right guys, here I have some jerk seasoning. It's hot, so I'm not gonna use all of it because I'm not gonna do the jerk, the whole spice thing, but I just need a little bit of taste of pepper, so I'm using a little bit. All right, if you're doing the jerk, you need more of that. And this one is some basil leaf. I'm gonna add a little bit, not too much, that will do, just for the flavor, you know. I'm gonna add some onion powder, and I'm gonna use a little bit in it. Oh yes, I have Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons as well. 1, 2, because I want whole heap of chicken leg to marinate, guys. Add 1 tablespoon of this jerk seasoning just to give it a kick. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. 1, 2. I'm gonna add some black pepper, about 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna add a little bit of this lemon pepper seasoning, about a teaspoon, not too much, just for the flavor, maybe 2 teaspoons. This here is my blended seasoning, all natural. So we have pimento in it, thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, preserved with some, ooh, it smells so good, with some vinegar. All right, and I'm gonna add 2 big tablespoons of this one. Ooh, I'm gonna add a little bit more, maybe 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. And here I have this Clubhouse sweet barbecue sauce, limited edition. Look how it is, guys. This one is really good, and it's gonna give the chicken some color. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna touch this one yet. I'm gonna put this aside until after, and I'm gonna pour half of this one in it. I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna pour half now. Some coconut oil, because you need it to have that moisture, right? You don't want it to be too dry. 2 tablespoons. You don't want to know what that look like, guys. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. At least it's white or cream in color. You're just gonna mix away. Look at that, guys. Look at the goodness. Look at the goodness. All right. Lots of chicken leg. Make sure you move the seasoning all over. All right, guys. I'm gonna mix it like this. Now you wanna cover this. You wanna put some cling wrap on it, some foil paper, a pot cover, a dusty cover, a plate cover, anything you have, anything at all, just cover it because you want it soak and marinate. Now I have my coconut oil. I'm hoarse today, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit to the pan there, just to grease it up. I put it in the fridge from yesterday morning, and now it's about almost 4 o'clock the next day. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so good. It smells so good, guys. All soak. So we're just gonna transfer everything over here. Guys, you don't have to throw away this. I'm gonna add some on top. Wow, guys, it smells amazing. Now look at this goodness. Yes, guys, yes. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna put them on the barbecue. Oh, delicious and nice. You can almost eat it like this. Wow, look at that. Very nice. I didn't cover them. I left them in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes and turned the oven down at 350. I turn on my little barbecue pan and I put it on the low. So we're gonna transfer them on. We're gonna make sure everything holds on it today. Barbecue style, Jamaican girl in the house. All right, guys, remember, girls and ladies, you have to cook for your husband. This is Jamaican style, guys, with color. Jamaican cook them food with color. Lots of color, lots of spice, lots of sauce. You hear the birds in the background? I think the birds want some now, guys. They want some. Oh my goodness. And guys, I won't throw away this. I'm going to use it to make the gravy. All right? And then I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to baste it, and then I'm going to flip it over and baste it again. And we only have one more to go. So they all hold on it, guys, and this is my gravy. I'm gonna make my gravy. Yes, I'm gonna cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm gonna coat it, and then I'm gonna come back. To get my barbecue sauce, how I'm gonna base it, I have this Diana sauce, and this one is the original barbecue sauce. I'm gonna pour generous amount in it, all of it. I'm gonna also put some of this one in, Clubhouse sweet barbecue sauce. That will do. This is my favorite because it's sweet, and I'm gonna add some. About that. That will do. All right, I'm gonna mix this together. Yes, yes. And we're gonna go over here. Oh yes, baby, yes. And you just wanna coat them or base it. Guys, I hope it finished soon because I think it's gonna rain. So I'm gonna cover this bad boy and I'm gonna come back. That's it right there. 15 to 20 minutes and I'll come back. So we're just gonna turn them and that's it. Alright, that's it.
So you gotta put on these now.
5 more minutes. My Portuguese bread, my mashed potato, and my gravy, and some lettuce and tomato, and some lemon. And there is everything over there, guys. Yes, yes, yes. We are eating a feast, and my daughter is eating too. Say hi, Sonny.
Hi.
You like it? She's eating. Alright guys, my barbecue chicken, Jamaican style. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And put God first.